airplanes fly? Today, we will discuss about buoyancy. You heard it right, buoyancy. Maybe you're wondering right now, does buoyancy exist in air? Yes, it does.
Objects in gas also experience a buoyant force equal to weight of the gas displaced. Air is composed in different gases, which is oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. Some gases like helium have lower densities than air. Thus, a balloon filled with helium gas floats.
Now that you have learned how balloons float on air, let us now examine how airplanes work. Are you familiar with Bernoulli's principle? This principle is named after the Swiss scientist Daniel Bernoulli. Bernoulli's principle states that as the velocity of a fluid increases, the pressure exerted by the fluid decreases. This principle applies to both liquid and gases.
Imagine, when you blow air above the paper, the pressure of the strips where air is moving fast is lower than the pressure underneath where the air is not moving. This produces an upward force, or lift.
Airplane wings are curved into an upper portion, while the surfaces below are flatter. They work by deflecting the air down. As the airplane wings move through air, some air goes up, some goes underneath. The air that goes on top moves faster, thus the pressure decreases. The air that goes underneath runs into a downward sloping bottom that produces an increased pressure. This difference in air pressure between the top and underneath the wing produces a lift.
An airplane also acted upon a pull of gravity which opposes the lift, drag, and thrust. Thrust is a force which enables the airplane to move forward, while drag is air resistance that opposes the thrust force.
Airplanes, ships, and submarines are all a test to our understanding of the physical properties of matter. We have illustrated only a few properties like pressure and buoyancy. These are related effects on forces acting on matter.
The many shapes you see in our modern structures are not only there for aesthetic reasons only, whether for ships or of spaceships. Every part has its own function and every choice of shape has its own